Do you want to earn over $3,000 a month from home? This tutorial will show you how to build a profitable affiliate site. By the end, you'll understand how to create your own site and promote products. First, find a product with recurring income. Visit the ClickBank Marketplace. Click Marketplace and sort by gravity score. Look for a product that pays $50 to $150 per sale. Ensure it has a subscription option for monthly commissions. Choose a product with a convincing sales page. Grab your hop link by clicking Promote. Next, write a review using ChatGPT. Use this prompt. Write a 1,000-word product review for product name. Make it personal, add pros and cons, and end with a strong call to action. You'll have SEO-friendly content in seconds. Insert your hop link at the end. Now, it's time to publish your content. Visit Google Sites and start a blank project. Add a catchy title and paste your article. Break it up with subheadings, bold text, and bullet points. Include 2-3 hop links in your post. Make it clean and easy to read. For free traffic, use Google Trends. Find hot keywords and adjust your headline and intro. Share your article on Quora, Reddit, and Facebook groups. Repost on Medium.com with a link back to your site. Consistency is key to growth. Use Bitly or the ClickBank dashboard. See which pages are converting well. Adjust titles, CTAs, or images to boost conversions. Now that your system works, scale it up. Use ChatGPT to create how-to guides or product comparisons. Add more reviews or create niche sites. More content means more traffic and higher commissions. Remember, you don't need coding skills or SEO expertise. Just be consistent to see results. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share.